Hi there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and also share this video. So a couple of days ago, Mihlali, Hot Topics in Damase, was hospitalized and revealed that she was in the hospital and that she cannot wait to go home and sleep in her comfortable bed. She did not reveal as to how she got her leg broken, you guys. However, she did post a message on her Insta story saying that she is doing okay, assuring her fans that she is doing well. She wrote, "Thank you so much for the lovely messages and well wishes. I am fine, my loves. I won't be getting into details of what happened, but I thank God I'm back home now in the care of my family and focusing on the recovery. Have a beautiful Sunday. Love, Mihlali." Kodwa, you guys, it has been alleged by an Instagram and YouTube blogger, Salty Entertainment Juice, that she might have allegedly gotten into a physical altercation with her much older and married boyfriend, Leeroy Moer, and that she was intoxicated and had gotten allegedly murdered by Leeroy Moer. Salty shared the news on Insta and said, and I quote, you guys, "I won't be getting into details of what happened, but I thank God I'm back home now in the care of my family and focusing on recovery." Salty wrote a lot in one sentence, which can make one raise eyebrows after a love affair that made Miss Ndamase change her name to Mihlali Hot Topics Ndamase on Twitter. However, our sources and evidence suggest that an altercation occurred between Leeroy Moer and Mihlali at the estate after a night out with a friend. It is said that Mihlali was intoxicated, and witnesses state that the altercation became noisy and a disturbance to other residents. Now there you guys have it. Please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will surely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.